Okay, so Bradley's harassing me in my lab today. I have to get my hand. Okay, so here's sort of what I've been working on. I've been working with soy protein extracts from different flours through different levels of processing, and then what I'm particularly interested in is the protein profiles of soy milk. So I have four different soy milk samples. So here I've got 13 samples total. These are just small little extracts here. But so this is 1 through 13 extracted at 60 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. And these are 1 through 13 extracted at 4 degrees Celsius. Yes, 4 degrees Celsius overnight. And then these yellow ones, they're still loose because they were defrosting. These are extracts that were extracted at room temperature for 2 hours. So now I have to figure out, because the idea is when you run a gel, you want to run 5 micrograms. So you have to figure out if you need to dilute and how many microliters you need to add to your gels in order to do that. I can show you my gels from yesterday. Normally you do 5 micrograms, but 5 micrograms left some of my gels not showing up at all. Like some of my lanes look empty. So I looked back at Ben's old work, because he did a lot of work with these last year, or the year before. And so like the flour samples are
That's a strong vinegar smell.
Yeah. Mostly methanol. There was some acetic acid in there earlier. Well, it's methanol in water. So anyways, I don't know, that looks a little better. I'm not sure. I recalculated it so that I could do 10 micrograms. Because those just look really faded. And then those are, see, that one's really faint too. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and do 10 micrograms for everything. So I had to recalculate it and I have to make new dilutions. And then mix it up with the sample buffer again, and then boil it. Why are you so close when you film? And then boil it for 5 minutes, and then centrifuge it for 5 minutes, and blah, blah, blah. You can't hear me? It's because the exhaust is on. Sorry, exhaust. Yeah, so that's a very random view of what I'm doing. It doesn't really tell you anything overall about what I'm doing.
Cool. Can we go get ice cream now?
Sure!